Previously recorded. Hey y'all, this your girl TIANA with Boss Up Cleaning. I want to thank you for coming. Welcome to my channel if you is new. But today what I'm about to do is go through my house, clean it back up, refreshen it up, straighten it up, get everything back together, get it smelling good, you know. Just straighten it up for the time being until, you know, I have to do my deep cleaning. So, you know, basically I'm going to just be doing a little folding of clothes and, you know, just getting all that stuff together and, you know, putting stuff up. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. I want to thank y'all for coming. And so yeah, and also, if y'all don't know anything about my second channel, the name, well, actually my first channel is TIANA, I Can Only Be Me Vlogs. I ask that y'all go over there and show that channel some love. And when you do, leave a comment and let me know that you have joined the family, okay? But don't forget to ring the doorbell over here and over there. What I call the doorbell is the thumbs up the like button. Hit it one time for your girl, if you don't mind. I want to thank you for doing so if you have already did. So let's go and get onto this cleaning video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all have a good day, and I hope you feel motivated to get in there and do yours. Y'all have a good one.
Watching a soap opera, I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night, could you be mine? We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go It's like something out of a movie. You see right through me. It's like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Oh, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. One-on-one, 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 one-on-one. Soon I'm climbing up 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone. Send me to you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone. Send me to you. Hey, where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. Yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone. Send me to you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone. anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time, I think you mean a buyout, 'cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, 'cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time.
Alrighty, y'all, so I got everything folded up. This here, just stuff that need to hang up. And gotta put my socks together. I got all the clothes folded and ready to be put up. So I don't know if this video gonna be by itself or with something else, but I got good intentions on putting it with another video. So I hope y'all enjoy it. And everything off the floor. Yes. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to get in my room and clean my room up. Boy, I tell you, your room become a disaster really fast, y'all. So I got to get in here, clean all this up. It's not much, but it's enough. About to change my bed and stuff like that. So let's get to it.
Wake up, sunshine, the brightest sky. For me on this journey. Leave your troubles far behind. It's a new day, yeah. Lights out, I know it's our time. You and me are free tonight. What would we become if we don't take our chance, yeah. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. I won't let no one put us down. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. We can make our dreams come true, yeah. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. I won't let no one put us down. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. We can make our dreams come true. Wake up, sunshine, you're bound to glow brighter than the brightest star. Where life will take us, I don't know, but I want you by my side, yeah. That's how I know it's our time. You and me are free tonight, yeah. What would we become if we don't take our chance, yeah. Oh, tell me, son, time is on us.
Alrighty, y'all, so my house is clean. That's just my phone and my charger. My house cleaned up. Everything back together like I like it. Living room is cleaned up. I don't put up the majority of the clothes. These, I'm just letting everybody put their own clothes up, so that's why those are still there. I'm folding my little blanket up right there. And then we're gonna go on to the room. And the room is cleaned. All nice and cutesy. Back together, just straightened up, you know. So yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and come back again. This your girl with Boss Up Cleaning. Welcome to my family. And I hope you subscribe. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace, love, and many blessings to each and every one of you guys.